Hi guys, now let us continue with the previous problem of finding the centroid of the shaded region. Now moving on to the isosceles triangle G4. The area will be half into base into height, that is half into the base distance 5 into the height, which is 12. Now coming to the distance of centroid from 1 1. Well, if we extend this line, it is observed that the triangle is isosceles and hence will be symmetric on both sides. Hence, the centroid distance from the 1 1 axis is given by nothing but the center distance of the rectangle, that is 20. The centroid distance from the YY axis is given by the total distance 50 minus this distance to the base, that is 5, and by applying the formula for the centroid of triangle from base, we have h by 3. Hence, the total centroid distance will be 50 minus 5 minus 12 by 3, which will be 41. Hence, AY is now given by 30 into 20, that is 600, and AX is given by 30 into 41, that is 1230. Similarly, G5, which is the right angle triangle over here, will have an area of half into base into height, that is half into the base, that is 9, into height, which is 40, which will be 180. The distance from the 1 1 axis is given by the entire distance 40 minus the centroid distance, that is h by 3. Here the h will be 9 with reference to the base being 40. Hence, the centroid distance is given by 40 minus 9 by 3, which will be 37. The distance from the 2 2 axis is nothing but base into h by 3, that is, with reference to 2 2 axis, this is the base and this is the height. Hence, h by 3 will be 40 by 3, which will be 13.33. Hence, AY is given by 180 into 37, that is 6660, and AX is given by 180 into 13.33, that is 2400. Last, coming to the quarter circle. Well, the area of the quarter circle is nothing but pi r square by 4, where the radius here is 10. Hence, the area will be pi into 10 square by 4, that is 78.54. Now, the centroid distance with respect to the 1 1 axis is nothing but the total distance 40 minus the centroid distance from this axis. Hence, this will be 40 minus the centroid distance, that is 0.424 r. Hence, this will result in 35.76. Similarly, the distance from the 2 2 axis is also given by the total distance minus the centroid distance with reference to the axis. Hence, we have 50 minus 0.424 r. This will result in 45.76. Hence, the moment of area AY is given by 78.54 into 35.76, which will be equal to 2808.6. AX is given by 78.54 into 45.76, which will be 3594. Hence, now we have all the values. Now, the summation is found out by adding these values and then deducting these values. That is, adding the values of the rectangle and the right triangle and then deducting the values of the unshaded portions. Hence, by doing so, we have summation A to be 2000 plus 67.5 minus 39.27 minus 30 minus 180 minus 78.54, which will result in 1739.69. Similarly, we have the value of summation AY to be 24983.5 and summation of AX to be 4627.25. Hence, now applying the formula, we have y bar is equal to summation AY by summation A, that is nothing but 24983.5 divided by 1739.69. Hence, y bar will be 14.36 mm. X bar is given by summation AX divided by summation A. Hence, this will be 46270.25 divided by 1739.69. Hence, X bar will turn out to be 26.6 millimeters. Therefore, the centroid of the axis will exist at a point of X bar, Y bar, that is 26.6, 14.36. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.